Hey, it's Terry Bontemps. Let's go ahead and move to the next level. Since we've graduated, we're going to level 2. All right, very good. Again, hey, it's Terry Bontemps. You know, when I was younger, I loved playing Monopoly. You know, I love that game. There was something about it that caught my interest, and that's probably why, you know, I'm a successful real estate investor today, is because of that game Monopoly. But as I got older and started investing, I always wondered, why come no one ever has developed a realistic real estate, real life Monopoly game, a game that could teach me how to make money investing in real estate? That's something I've always thought about. You know, I wanted to learn how to buy and rent and flip and sell houses, and that's something that the Monopoly game didn't have. So I go, man, if someone could figure that out, I think that would be genius, especially for real estate investors. For anyone that didn't have an interest in real estate, I don't think it would work as well. But this is what we do as real estate investors. We buy, we sell, we flip, we rent. Okay, and we buy notes. So there's plenty of smart gurus out there. There's plenty of smart people in the world. Why come no one's ever did it? See, I decided to do it, you guys, and boy, do I love this game. I just wanted to give you guys a little history behind the game, but let's go ahead and go to level 2, the rehabbing houses. But before I do that, I want to go back and review the previous level video, which was level 1, wholesaling houses. It simply means you'll be marketing to motivated sellers who are in distress and form a solution to help them out of their problem that they're having with their home. You're going to go put the house under contract at the wholesale mail or lower offer. You'll add your $5,000 flip fee to the wholesale mail offer and quickly flip it to a cash buyer and walk away with your $5,000 without taking ownership of the property. What's even neat, you can do this without having any credit, a job, real estate license, a bank loan, or having any money. All you needed was to find a motivated seller that will sell you their property at a discount and below market value because they had a distressed situation. This allows you to flip the property to a cash buyer, again, for a $5,000 flip fee. So let's talk about rehabbing houses, which means that you actually close on the property with your own funds or by funding the deal with financing. I'll talk about the financing later in level 5, 6, and 7. Then you're going to rehab it, sell the property to a first-time home buyer for thousands and thousands of dollars of profit. All right, so let's go ahead and resume back in California since I live in California. And let's take this house here. Now again, you see the blinking car. That means the We Buy Houses, which is me. I'm on my way. I found out maybe this house is in foreclosure. Okay, and after doing all my research, I knock on the door and have a conversation with the homeowner. I find out that the property's worth $89,000 after it's been repaired. It needs $3,000 of repairs. So, how much is my mail? My offer at mail, okay, again, is how much is your mail? Okay, my mail is $59,300. Okay, I'm going to take the $59,300 and I'm going to put it in here. See what happens. Hit done. Voila, I got the right answer. Again, a wrong answer, the box will now turn green, it will turn red, okay? So, the cost. I'm going to 10%. 10% of the cost is $8,900. Hit done. Voila, I got the right answer again. Your profit is always 20% of the after repair value, okay? But I'm not going to put that in right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back and do some math with you guys. Okay, so $59,300, okay, plus $8,900 for the cost, plus $3,000 in repairs, and I'm going to subtract that, okay, from the selling price of $89,000, and that's going to leave me the same 20%, okay, for my profit. So I'm just doing the math. I'm going to go ahead and put 17,800. I don't think I want to put it in yet. I still want to do some more math with you guys. So really, it's kind of simple. The math on this is simply $59,300. I add $8,900 for cost, $3,000 for repairs. I'm going to subtract that from the selling price of $89,000. That's going to leave my profit of $17,800. Okay, that's called reverse engineering. So it's 100% total. Okay, 70% is going to be the mail. okay, and the repairs. 20% is your profit, and 10% it's going to be your cost, okay? So we're going to reverse engineer this out so that it all adds up, and you always want to double check your number. So again, 59.3 plus 8,900 for costs, 3,000 for repairs, okay? That gives me 71.2. Then I subtract the sale price of 89,000, leaves my profit of 17.8. Or another way to look at this is go add it all up, okay? You can have the mail plus your repairs plus your cost plus your profit. That's going to equal the sale price. So 59.3 plus 8,900 plus 3,000 plus the 17.8 should reverse out to $89,000. So now I'll go ahead and put the 17.8. Just want to do a little teaching there. So 17.8. There's a cash register. So that means I did pretty good. So now again, I can go to any of these other houses. I like level 2. Level 2 is the easier one for me because I'm really good at doing the 10% and the 20% for the profit. So let's go over and roll a little bit. Let's make a little money, buy some houses. So I'm going to click another property in California. Here I come. Another deal. Come to find out, bam, property's worth $77,000, needs 8,000 repairs. How much is my mail? So I'm going to go 77 times 7 is 49 and 53.9, and I got to deduct that. So that's going to be 45.9 for my mail. Voila, my cost is going to be 10%, so I go in at $7,700 for my holding costs, closing costs, commissions, blah, blah, blah. Then we got my profit. My profit's always 20%, so I'm going in at 15.4. Let's go with the wrong number. Let's just go 16,000. I know that's wrong. I'm going to try it. See, I got the red X. It's a wrong number, okay? Let's see if I can try to fake it again, give a different number. How about if we go 13,000? So if you're guessing, this game is going to be very difficult for you. This game is very precision and it's set up to get the correct answer. So again, I'm looking for 15.4 as the correct answer. Let's see what happens. Bam, there's cash rush. That means I got it right. So now I'm moving on to my next deal, California. Bam. There's a flashing car. Maybe I ran an ad and someone called me on my ad. I go to the house, talk to the homeowner. Again, after repair value is $127,000. The repairs needed is $17,500. Okay, so how much is mail? $749, $8, $88.9. I deduct my repairs of $17,500. So that gives me $71,400. Let's see if I got this right. Again, I'm not using a calculator. I'm trying to do the math in my head because it's a lot to navigate and talk to you guys all at the same time. Whew, got it. So costs are always easy. 10%, that'd be $12,700. Okay, boom, and my profit. I'm expecting to make $25,400 profit. So in the perfect world, you guys, and there's no perfect world, but this kind of training gives you a basic foundation. There's always going to be Murphy's Law. There's always something that's going to be a little bit higher, a little bit lower. But if I find a property that has an after repair value of $127 and the repairs needed are $17,500, okay, I know that if I make my offer, okay, and by the time I make that offer, I put in the cost, it's going to leave me a profit on this deal of $25,400. So here we go. It's $25,400. Bam, there we go. Now I'll take one more example. I'm not going to do the whole training module. I'm actually going to, let's go over here to Nevada. Okay, somebody called me on my We Buy Houses sign. So here's the way it works. This property, again, is worth $109,000. It needs $11,000 repairs. So my offer is to the owner for mail, $76,300, so it'd be $65,300. Let's go $65,300. Okay, so that's correct. Now, I'm going to put my cost in, which is $10,900. That was 10%. Okay, so here's what we're saying. I'm going to offer this owner $65,300. Okay, I could also come in a little lower if I want to wholesale this property. You guys already know what you got to do. You got to deduct $5,000 if that's going to be your flip fee. But I'm coming in at mail on this property. If the owner accepts my $65,300, I know that I'm going to have $11,000 in repairs. I'm going to have $10,900 in cost, okay? But when I sell that property, after I get it all fixed up, if it takes me 3 months, I'll get it fixed up, put it back on the market. And if it sells for $109,000, my profit on this is going to be $21,800. Okay, that's what I'm estimating my profit at, $21,800. So what happens if the owner doesn't accept my $65,300? Okay, say the owner wants $70,300 for the deal. They want an additional $5,000. So what does that do? That $5,000 comes from my profit. Right now I'm at $21,800 for my profit. If I deducted the $5,000 because I decided to give the owner more for their property, that means my profit is only going to be $16,800. This game does not go into the negotiation parts of it, but when you know your numbers, you can always negotiate with the owner. Now, I can decide $16,800 is not enough money for me, and so I could pass on the deal if I wanted to. I can say, you know what? Owner says, hey, I need $70,300. I go, you know what? I did all my comps. I factored in my repairs, and my market value tells me that after I paid, it's only going to be $109,000, and that just doesn't leave me enough room to make a profit. Now, I can pass on the deal, or I can drop down. So again, let's finish this one out, and basically I'm going to put my 20% profit in. That's what I factored. 20% is my margin that I use on my real estate deals. 20% is my profit. So we're going 21,800. See if I'm right there. Bam, cash register. There we go. Excellent. So you guys, again, this is level 2. It's called being a rehabber, rehabbing houses. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. My number is 916-470-3869. If you're having any challenges with this game, you're having issues, you know, the formulas doesn't work out. I've gone through this thing so many times trying to just make sure and work the bugs out. Give me a call though, 916-470-3869. Hey, and if you're looking for a coach, a mentor, and trainer, okay, I'm the guy. I'll get you on this game. We'll get your numbers down. We'll put you out in the real world. Let's start making offers. That way you'll be a smarter investor. So this is Terry Bontemps, and I'm going to look forward to working with you guys on the next level, which is how to build a portfolio of rental properties being a landlord. Talk to you on the other side. Bye.